Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very interesting video about this low cap altcoin which has the potential of 100x, and the one I am talking about is Astra. Now some incredible things about this token is, first of all, the auto system. You do not need a human interaction to fill the liquidity pool, reflection, burn the token, charity, and development. So you guys can see this is unique because a lot of tokens you need the humans to do stuff. Before we move forward, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it help me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will find out about Astra, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profits. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. One thing I do want to say is I'm not a financial advisor, so after watching this video, make sure you guys do your own research before putting your money into anything. It is your hard-earned money, so please be very careful with your money. Now talking about Astra, you guys can see just the website design first of all looks so unique. I just personally love it. It just connects the crypto world with the financial world. The next big thing, the long game, a new buy and smart based digital asset that grows indefinitely. Buy, hold, grow, and donate. Now talking about donating, Astra charity will be starting in exactly 25 days, which is the first week of July. That's when they will be donating to charities which are using the money for good cause. I just personally love it. Also 650 million Astra are in the liquidity pool, and you can see right there why choose Astra. On the right side, everything is done auto, which I mentioned at the start of the video. Astra protocol also drives the value of Astra high. Astra holders see their money grow by just holding Astra in their wallet. Astra also has a unique dip supporting buyback mechanism to ensure positive trading action. Liquidity pools are filled up automatically and no one has to worry about providing liquidity. Astra protocol ensures a unique algorithm which charges a variable tax to discourage dumping. Buying at a dip carries almost no fee. So you guys can see they support the people who buy at the dip and also punish the people who also decide to dump the token back into the market. Now talking about the verified contract, our smart contract is being verified with BSC scan and the source code is public. Now the second thing that I want to show you guys is the transparent operation. From our development and marketing to charitable donation, our operations are completely transparent. As I always say, I personally love it when everything is transparent and publicly being seen, because you are able to make your decisions about the token. It's just easier to actually get in contact, learn everything about it. Now talking about the Astra protocol, every single transaction that occurs there is a 10% fee, which 3% goes to the liquidity pool, 1% is redistributed to all the holders. So just by holding you do get a small percentage. 3% is added to the dev and the marketing wallet so the token can be promoted more. 2% is sent to the charity wallet and 1% is burnt away. So that's a good thing because the charity part is good, also the marketing part, because more people that actually find out about Astra, you actually start seeing the price going up because they will actually purchase it down the line. And just to see the overall chart, you guys can see this is how it looks. The 100% is the fee that is taken and small percentage are being split up in different things. Just so you guys know, this coin listing is coming very soon into the CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap and also Binance. This is good. You guys know once it gets listed, there will be more traction and also more attention that will come towards Astra, therefore increasing the price. As I said, this token is fairly new. I mean, it's only been out close to 3 days, so there is a lot to still come. If we talk about the supply, there is a fixed supply of 1 billion, so no new tokens can be created, with 65% are in public, so you are able to purchase it. 10% is seed investors, 10% is in the team and the devs account, and also 15% is in the community growth and charity and marketing. Now if we look at their roadmap, you guys can see the roadmap actually looks very nice. The initial development's been done, then also the Astra launch has been done. The coin was actually a fair launch, so there was no pre-sale, none of that. There was also a platform development that will be coming out very soon. The future growth project Astra is not limited to a cryptocurrency, it's just the beginning. More DeFi revolutions are on their way. There will be influencer recruitment, so they will have a lot of influencers that will be actually part of the team, and finally continue the growth. Now talking about the documents, you guys can see right here, there are white paper, smart contract, also the GitHub. If we look at their white paper, you will be able to see that they do have a lot of in-depth showing everything, being super transparent to the community, because the people who will be buying in, they need to make sure that they know everything about the token that they are investing in. Overall, I'm just very excited to see where this will end up on. At Astra, we have a single goal in mind: holistic growth. Growing together as a community, Astra holders are rewarded with more Astra tokens over time, and also at the same time the sellers and traders are discouraged. And you guys can see this is probably one of the nicest white paper I have read, due to the fact it's actually integrated into the website, and at the same time it's just attractive. That's probably the best word to describe it, because the normal people who do not like big technical terms, they want to see something attractive when they're looking at it. Most of the people do not read the white paper because it just looks very dull and boring. Now, talking about their Telegram, they have close to 4,700 members, and I recommend, if you will be actually investing in this token, joining the Telegram is a must, because the amount of people that are talking on there and the amount of people that are online, there's like 800 people. So if you have any specific question, you will be able to get it answered very quickly. Talking about their Twitter, you guys can see they're fairly active in my opinion. They also do have 1,600 followers on Twitter, and they do actually talk to the community. Whenever someone is actually tweeting about it and stuff, they will retweet it, make sure everyone knows that they are being interactive and also caring about the other people. If we look at their BSC scan, you guys can see at the moment the holders are close to 1,100, but the transactions are close to 12,000. That's a lot of transactions when you think about the holders being so little. Keep in mind, as I said, the transactions are really good when you think about Astra's only been out for 3 days. Yes, you heard it right, this token's only 3 days old. If we look at the chart, it will be much easier for you guys to predict what will happen in the future. Me personally, I do see some good things coming out towards Astra, but again, it's my opinion. As you guys can see, this is the chart. This is a 15-minute chart. If I keep scrolling back, you guys will see that the token was released on 9th of June, which is close to 2 to 3 days ago. And overall, the trend has been an uptrend. So there was a big spike up at the initial release because a lot of people decided to buy. Then maybe a big whales decided to sell, so it did come down a little bit, but then it started climbing back up again. It just shows that the coin will not die down very quickly, rather there will be a lot of people which will be holding for a long period of time. The market cap is close to 4 million, which is great. Now, talking about the fact, I know a lot of you guys who had the question, Sky, how do I buy this token? It's very simple. You just need to go to their website, go to the top, and then you guys will see a button that says buy now. When you click on that, you guys will be taken to PancakeSwap. Just click on I understand and click on import. Now, for the next step, you guys need to go on your phone and download this application called Trust Wallet. Once you download it, make an account in it and buy some BNB. Once you have some BNB, turn it into Smart Chain, and once you have that done, you just need to click on connect on the right top and click on Trust Wallet. Once you do connect your Trust Wallet to this, you just need to go ahead and put in the BNB or the Smart Chain that you want to convert into Astra. You can put in 1, 2, 3, doesn't matter how much you want to put in, and it will convert. Just simply click on swap and it will be added to your Trust Wallet. Simple as that. Now, what do I think about this token? I think it has a good long time longevity. It's only 2 days old and it's doing very well. The price is nearly at 1 cent, so that's great. Aside the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.